Usual, the first thing to do is to head over to YouTube Studio on Google. Yeah, trying to log into the desktop version. As usual, that's what you would do. So you can use your mobile version for this. So just follow the steps. So then you're going to click on this. Let me zoom it closer so that you guys can see this center part. This one, oh, why is my phone not stable? This center part, right? You guys are going to click on this one here, as you can see, to go live. So I'm going to click on it now, and let's just see. I really hope this network is really good. Yeah, so this is actually showing up. This live monetization setting is showing up because I am actually monetized. But for you that is just looking for watch hours and you are not yet monetized, you will not see this live monetization setting. It won't pop up at all. So, but for the purpose of this video, let me just speak. Yes. Yeah. So they're going to be asking you, do you want YouTube to add adverts in your live? That's for those people that are already monetized. So if you want, you can say let YouTube recommend when they should. You can say let YouTube recommend when they should put in the ads, or yeah. But for you guys, I don't think you guys need all those information. So let me just click on save. Yeah, because you guys don't actually need that first part, the information, because if you are watching me now to get your 4,000 watch hours, it means you're not even monetized. So let's just go to the parts. So once you click on that live, this is how your page will look like, exactly as it is right here. This is how your page is gonna look like. Yep. So as you can see, top chart, like when you're live, this is where this area here is where you'll be seeing your charts. And if you look down here, as you can see, this is where I can reply the charts. You can see the $ button is because I'm monetized. So now what you would do after coming on live here is to get all your settings correctly. Oh yeah, before I forget, before we continue, this part that says stream key, let me zoom it closer so you guys can see. This part that says stream key, paste in encoder, it is actually closed right now. Yeah, so this part, just copy it. Click on this copy right here. So once you copy it, keep it somewhere, because you actually need it in our OBS Studio. You will need it when you want to log in. So let me just click on copy. So it has been copied, and then I'm going to go right ahead and keep it for when we will need it in my next explanation. But that's the first step. When you get to this part, just copy it and keep it. So you can keep it in your WhatsApp. Just keep it somewhere first. We will need it. So guys, let me try and hurry up. So then you can go ahead to click on this down part here, this part that says manage. Go ahead and click on it. So when you click on it, as you can see right here, it says schedule schedule stream. Sorry guys, I wanted to beat my tongue there. It says schedule stream. So just click on that schedule stream. So if you want to create a new stream, like I guess you actually want to do, because you're just coming here for the first time, just click on create new. As you can see here, and we are here. So this creates new. This place you enter your title, what you want, like the title of your live stream, what you want it to be. Here you enter your description about what the live stream is going to be about. It doesn't have to be too long. Yeah, how do you want to go live? Let's click on it. As you can see, streaming software, webcam, or mobile. Because we are using OBS, I'm going to be using a streaming software. Click on streaming software. So the category of your video, be it entertainment, you guys already know all this one. So let me just head over. So you enter a very catchy thumbnail. Yeah, an attractive thumbnail. Thumbnails use bright colors, red, white, you understand, bright colors. Playlist, then try and use a try and put it in a playlist so that YouTube can recommend your videos. And also, sorry about the background noise, he said in this video, then you have to choose if it is meant for kids or not. But most of the time it's usually not meant for kids. So just choose no, it is not meant for kids. Please, if your video is not meant for kids, please choose it is not meant for kids. Because if you do not choose, if you choose it is meant for kids and the video is actually not meant for kids, you can be penalized. Yep. So do you want to restrict video to an adult audience only? No. So it can be general, you get, not only 18. So click on show more. because you have to select all of these things. Altered content, is your content, is it altered, like the video you want to stream? Then you enter your tags. If you don't know how to get tags, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be making a video on that, but just please down in the comment section if you don't know how to generate your tags, because I think I've said it before in one of my videos. Yeah, so you just fill in all of this information right here. Select language, the language of the video. If it's English, select it. If you have a certification for it, fine. If you don't have, you can leave it. That certification is optional. Yes, so after you are done, you click on next. You get. So for the purpose of this video, let me just fill in something. So let me just fill. It's because I'm using my phone, so it's very hard. If I was using my system, it would be so easy to type. Let me just type in something. Let me just type N with Nneka. So let me just type that. So let me just put description, how to get 4,000 watch hours. Like, you can put your descriptions, so like I'm just using this one just for tutorial purpose. So let me just choose a random thumbnail. So as you can see, I just uploaded a thumbnail. Yeah, playlist is not compulsory, I do that. So let me just choose no, it is not meant. No, it is not meant for kids. So I think tags, I can leave it, is optional. Let me just click on next. Yes, as you can see, this is the monetization part. So because I'm monetized, that's why it's on. So you guys will not see this monetization part if you are actually following this step. It will just go to customization for you guys. You get. So let's just click on next. And for this customization, as you can see, it says live chat. Do you want your live chat to show? Like, do you want it to show during the live, or after the live you can still see the comments? You know, sometimes when you're live, you can be seeing comments, and when you're like after the live has ended, you only see the video. When you click on comments, you can't see a replay of the comments. So if you want to see a replay of the comments, choose live chat replay. But if you don't want to see, maybe you just want it to just be on the live chat, just choose live chat. You get. But participants mode, who do you want to view your live stream? Because we actually want to get our 4,000 watch hours, you choose anyone, because at this point we need all the views we can get. We are not selecting. Maybe when we now become that big YouTuber, or we can start selecting, but for now we need all the views. So you choose anyone. Reaction, live reaction, yes. Message delay, some people actually use this message delay. Like, let's say you want to just to make people not spam the chat. You know, some people, they can be sending one message, like they just keep sending and sending. So just for spamming sake, yeah, if you want it, you can just tick it and choose the time, but there's no point, I don't need it. Redirect, allow here. So if you want to add a trailer, so just click on next. We're actually not interested in all of those things. I'm just trying to explain, so when you're filling it out, you know what to fill. Visibility, of course you want it to be public, because you need your public 4,000 watch hours. And when you can schedule it, yeah, you actually have to schedule it, because we're actually using a streaming software I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. And this streaming software is different from Restream. This is not Restream. So click on schedule. So okay, I can actually leave it at this time. You guys can put your time you want to schedule it. So after you are done scheduling, then you just click on done. Okay, it's loading. It's going. What's wrong? This network is making it longer. Yes. So after you're done, as you can see, guys, it is already here. So because I've not gone live, that's why this particular part, here is going to keep on rotating, because I've not yet entered the video live on the app I want to use. So it's going to keep rotating until I go to that app and upload the video to play. Then it will start streaming here. So that key, hope you guys still remember that I said you guys should keep it. Stream latency, normal latency, which is very good. Everything is okay. As you can see, our title, entertainment, public, Everything now is set. So, and yes, the next phase right now is to head over to OBS Studio. Yeah, I forgot to mention something. OBS Studio does not work on our mobile phone. In case you're thinking you want to use your phone, unlike Restream, OBS does not work on your mobile phone. Before I continue, in case you are just seeing this channel and you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscription button. Do well to like this particular video. If you've not liked it, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, so OBS does not work with mobile. You can check. So just head over, take your system, what you're using, then just go to your Google Chrome and then you type OBS Studio. It's going to take you to their site, and when you get to their site, that's where this key, that stream key I told you to copy and keep somewhere, that's where it's going to come in handy. So when you paste it there, it's going to connect you. OBS is going to be connected to your YouTube channel. So when you upload your video on OBS, because there's a part for you to upload your video on OBS. So once you upload your video on OBS, then it will now start playing. Like this part that is still rotating is because I've not gone to do that process yet. Yeah, but if you guys want me to, I think I have to do that in a separate video, because this video is already getting too long. I don't like my videos being more than 8 minutes. I don't know, I just don't really like it. But in as much as I try, I end up spending more than that, because I feel like it is going to be too long. So I prefer to split it. So I think I'm going to split it here. But if you guys want me to make a video on only OBS, like how you can upload, like the concluding part, which is uploading the video and connecting the key you have copied, connecting them to make it start showing here. If you guys want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. Just put it down in the comment section. If I can see about 3 people, is okay for me. If I can just see 3 comments requesting for it, then I'll know that okay, these people actually need it and they're actually serious about it. So if I can just get 3 comments, I'm going to make a video on how you can use OBS to get your 4,000 watch hours. Because once you are live, it's going to keep playing. It's just like Restream, but it's different from Restream. Yeah, like the whole process is different from Restream, because some people are actually having challenges with Restream. They're like, oh, I tried using Restream, it's not giving me views, I don't know, it's not working. So another option you can try is OBS Studio. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see the concluding part, as I am here to bring that to your table. So we'll meet again in our next video.